The month of June has been very good for trading. In my main funded account, I made good profits because the market had strong momentum and was testing all-time highs. This created many easy opportunities to trade and grow the account. In this video, I will explain the strategy and momentum style I used. But remember, trading always has risk. I am not a professional and most day traders lose money. There is no guarantee of profit. The main strategy. The first thing I do every day is mark important levels on the chart. Right now, the market is testing all-time highs. These levels are very important because they often create strong momentum. When the market gets close to major levels like all-time highs, yearly highs, and monthly highs, it often creates good opportunities to buy dips. However, I never buy randomly. I wait for the price to pull back to a strong support level before buying. How I find support and resistance levels. I use three main methods. 1. Major milestone levels. These include all-time highs, yearly highs, and important historical levels. These levels attract attention and create momentum. 2. Whole number price levels. I look at levels like 200, 220, 250, etc. These whole numbers often act as support or resistance because many traders watch them. 3. Obvious previous highs and lows. If the price bounced multiple times from a level before, it becomes an important level. How I enter trades. I do not buy when the price breaks the high immediately. That can be risky because price may reverse quickly. Instead, I wait for the price to move close to the high, then pull back to support. Then I buy the dip. This method is safe.